Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I'm going to be creating a spread in my wellness planner with you guys. So in the past, hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I'm going to be creating a spread in my wellness planner with you guys. So in the past this year, I've been kind of on and off when it comes to creating spreads with you guys in my wellness planner. Sometimes I do it by myself, sometimes I do it with you guys. I thought this will be a fun one to create with you guys. This is a these are stickers from Easter Case. They're beautiful veggies and I'm a little bit obsessed with fresh produce. So I thought that will be a perfect addition to my wellness planner. I have my Girl Cut and it is fantastic. It works like a pen. The trick is to have an adhesive mat so your stickers don't move as you are cutting like so. If this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you have been here before and you're coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I'm so happy you're here. And let's go ahead and get started with this spread. So it is for May 19th through the 25th. I'm going to be adding that with a green click art zebra pen. So I'm just using a pale green. I'm going to put 4 dots on the top. So that's breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. And then 5 dots on the lowest part of the planner. And that is my medication, my mood, my sleep, my workout, and my steps. So those are the things that I'm tracking. So 5 little things. And then the same thing everywhere. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just drawing all of those dots and then we'll move on to decorating. And yeah, we'll go from there. So this is kind of fun because there's not much that changes in this planner except where I put my little dots in which box. But I track the same things. I do basically the same things. A lot of my spreads are kind of on the bottom or like the half portion of the planner. So today I'm actually thinking that we'll do the bottom portion plus we'll do the middle portion of the planner. So I have enough veggies to do that. I also have this little sticker book. Um, they are called Leisurely Moments. It's like a coil sticker book series. They're tiny. They're super cute. There's 18 pages in those little books. There's so many like drinks and foods and little things like that. So they're coordinated based on what they are. So like I said, this one has food and drinks in it. So I use that beautiful picnic basket in the corner up there from there. Okay, now I get to put like veggies and stuff in here. So look at that, parsley or cilantro. I don't know which one, but one of those. And then we have lemons. And then look at this beautiful, beautiful box of veggies. Like that makes me so happy. So I'm just gonna remove the lines on this side of the planner as we're working here. And then, yeah, I'll move some stuff around. Okay, let's see. Let's add some mushrooms. Okay, lemon. I might be moving stuff around depending on how this goes, but for right now, I'm just placing them where I think they're going to look good. So I'm gonna remove the lines on the second part of the planner, and yeah, let's go from there. But like I said, it is kind of a fun and different spread for me. I have never done this before, nor did I have a lot of stickers of veggies. Like I said, this came in like a pet tape series, but these were pre-cut, believe it or not. Like meaning they were cut into those short like strips. But yeah, the stickers on it on the page are not pre-cut, so I have to do those. I am going to include 2 yoga girls because with all these veggies, how can you not? So I'm gonna include this girl who's doing, what is that? Is that a warrior pose? No, that's not warrior. I don't know what it is. And then let's include this one on this side, and then let's like do all of the veggies around them and fruit, I guess. But yeah, it'll be fun to include so many things in here because I am very, very excited about this particular spread. So if you have done something like this before, let me know. Because like I said, new for me, but super exciting, very, very different. So I'm just cutting all around those things. And yeah, look at all those carrots. I love multicolored carrots are so fun for me. I don't know. Everybody is, like I said, so different. So yeah. Okay. So super cute. Moving these mushrooms because I wanted that big space to be available for my carrots. Okay, let's add those. Look how fun those are. And I do have a couple quotes that I'm gonna like include. Okay, minor ingredients and minor ingredients are white radish, carrots. Look at that white radish. Ah, yeah, I really, really like it. And I'm gonna do that because it says carrot on that arrow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and point it to the carrot, which is super cute. Um, so much stuff, but yes. So now I'm gonna cut this next one and let's go ahead and add all of this stuff in here. So this is already a third sheet of veggies that we're adding in here. So it's going to be very sticker heavy, but it does make me so happy whenever I get to do this, like I said, because it's so fun, you guys, like to be able to do spreads like this. Um, Obviously the only limit is your own like mind and creativity. And clearly, like depending on what you have in your stash and what you're able to afford. I am very fortunate with um being able to have so many wonderful, amazing things in my planner room. But yeah, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add all of this stuff in here. So we have like uh I don't know what those are, garlic root, maybe horseradish. I have no clue. Okay, some of them are labeled, some of them are not. Um, yeah. So this one is garlic bolt. I don't know what that is either. It's very interesting. So I do like that basket with radishes. I think that's so cute. I'm gonna have to kind of do this garlic chives in a different way. Okay, I'm gonna cut off that garlic part. Oh no, that doesn't look good. Okay, I'm gonna put those back just without the words. Let's try to align it. Okay, I think that's fine. So that is fine. I'm gonna keep going. We still have quite a few things to put in here. Um, so yeah, let's keep going. I'm gonna put the okra right there. Um, I have never ate okra prior to coming to United States. It is such a amazing produce. I really do enjoy it. It's yeah, it adds a lot of flavor, but again, not something I was exposed to on day-to-day basis. So I'm gonna add a couple more things. So we have this sweet peas. They're so good. I'm obsessed. My dog loves them. Um, they're like green beans too, I think. They're so good. So I'm just gonna put this down. I think that works. That is actually dark enough where like the sideline is not showing through. So I'll keep going. I do love this basket with all of the produce as well. Okay, so we're gonna cut all of that up. Look at the asparagus on like the plate or on the, what would you call that? Is that pan? I'm not sure, but yeah, all of these are awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and keep adding all of these things. But yeah, those are so fun to work with. Like I said, I'm going to be filling in all of the spaces up here, and then that should be, we should be pretty close to finishing this spread, even though it's a lot. Like I said, this will be so much fun for me to write in because this quite different and it's a lot more filled and complicated than what I usually do for my wellness, or I should say lately. So yes, I'm gonna add this in here. So I'll go ahead and do that. And then the quote on the other side that I added says, which vegetable do you like best? Cucumber, carrot, or celery? I'm definitely a carrot girl. um, there's just something about them. They're crunchy, they're sweet, they're colorful. Like all of those things are just fantastic. I love just munching on carrots here and there, especially when they're like straight out of the fridge and cold. It's just something about my carrots. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this big basket in here. I do wanna see if it will fit. It should, right? Let's just go ahead and remove that little line up here and move this down okay, like so. And then I still have room to put something in there. No, and added this little guy in here. I think that'll look good. Okay, so that's another one that's done. And I'm gonna go into that little leisurely moment book and see if I can pull a couple more things in for the spread. I just need something between Thursday and Friday to fill in. I also will add like a watermelon in this side. But yeah, that's, I don't need much. I just need very little. And they have 2 pages. So one is clear and one is on like a white washi. So I am using the clear ones today because all the other ones are on a clear backing as well. So then I don't want to like have multiple surfaces, like different surfaces. So all of these are on clear. And that is it, my loves. This is my wellness spread, and I think it's so fun. Let me know what you think, and can't wait to plan another one with you guys. Have a great week ahead. If you are still here at the end, just say hi in the comments. I would love to say hi back. Let me know what you think about this crazy spread, and I'll see you guys soon for another video. Bye.